know my name. Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afọ mmiri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala na Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. Ihe nji maka ebe taa bụ why men needs 4 cardinal points. Abịa m taa ka nkọwalụ gị no mmadụ nọ n'ụwa from the time immemorial where man was permitted to be in this gross material world. Enwere ike dị n'ụwa. They are the rulers, yes, of this gross material world, the universe. Ike anyanwụ, ike ikuku, ike ndị mmiri, water powers, and Eze-Ana. These 4 cardinal points representing east, west, north, and south. You cannot be successful here on earth without aligning yourself with these 4 cardinal points. They are the movers and shakers of this gross material world. They rule. Yes, I will explain to you in details how they rule this world, how you cannot do or succeed massively without their support. Here they are behind the before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Abonable child of the temple, Echefuna, na annual festival live for the year, both September 15th. After Anya no abonable child of the temple, Ghana, we are participating here. Ọ bụgoro n'obodo oyibo ma ọ bụ na nwere ihe ga-eme ka ị ghara ịbịa, chat ya m na WhatsApp ime ihe kwesịrị ime annually iji wee support Njamu festival. Yes, ọkwa nke abụọ bụ echefuna na anyị nọ na month of August. Our monthly rituals is still ongoing. We started monthly rituals. We have carried 4 years now. We have massive testimonies, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media because it's not why we are here. Amara na Chukwu na-emere onwe ya aha. N'isi ụtụtụ ejegori na temple chụọ aja golf okwubi okwu n'isi ndị niile sonyela all over the world. Friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. To aka isi emi every day till the last day of the month. Anyị chịkọta ya bụ aja. So ndị so na ya bụ aja ga-enweta nchịkọta na their WhatsApp numbers only. Ya ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso ya ma ọ bụ na o nwere ajụjụ inwe na nkụzi ihe anụ. Then, my WhatsApp number na screen 0805-7837-672. Now let's proceed. Why men needs 4 cardinal points? From the book of Genesis, actually, book born and quote to other spiritual books which you have not read. Maybe you will not understand. Let me use the popular one in my Bible. Yes. Even now called Genesis. Because Genesis 1, but again, whatever I call Basado Okike. This gross material world has been in existence millions of years before man was permitted to coexist, to share this gross material world with the elemental beings and animistics. And these elemental beings and animistics works hand in hand with these 4 cardinal points: the sun, the air, the waters, and the land. They are the owners of the earth. They knew where all the earthly treasures was hidden. They understand the spiritual permutations of and dynamics of nature. So, after many millions of years, Chukwu permitted human spirits to be here on earth for experiencing and maturing. And you cannot achieve success here on earth without aligning, without identifying, without the support of the original owners of this gross material world. Even when man was asked to come and multiply and rule. The intention is that man will walk in hand in harmony with the original inhabitant of this gross material world, so that man will be able to succeed. Take it from me, there is no way you can succeed without aligning with these forces. They are the ones that they energize you. They are the ones that will inspire you. They are the ones that will protect you. They are the ones that will bless you. He is on his throne. Delegated powers to these elemental beings and mystics and the entities of powers, who are the real rulers, shakers of this gross material world. So you need them. Only is successful on earth are spiritually connected with these four cardinal elements, because they know where all the hidden treasures of this world are. My question to you is that, when was the last time you recognized them? Ikanyam, Ikikiku, Ikemiri, and Ikana. What you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. He established that personal devotion with this cardinal point. That is the only way you will succeed. If not, you will be thinking that others are oppressing you, because this world they are seeing is for the strong and might. Spiritually, the spiritual gladiators, the spiritual powers rule this gross material. Take it or leave it. Oh, Nyapatani, when he gets and also not dominating, because he got all the rules. He got all the importance of aligning all the world religion. Name them, both those ones you know and not, and the Neymaro. They have a way of aligning, recognizing the existence. I mean, any world powerful religion. They have link with the sun, the air, the waters, and the land. Sometimes you don't know, because now the bandage you come and get adabel. So let my followers may you open the equity me not at peace with all those four cardinal points, because all how get shape your destiny. You can only, if you decide to achieve your destiny or success without their support, believe in me, you will fail. Others with much more strength will dominate you. That is why you need them, because they are the ones that will catapult you from point A to point B. And there will some people that have the initial grace, and often a happy with initial grace. For now, you are not recognizing them, and you are of age to recognize them. Happy. Oh, yeah, but some people might, from their childhood, they succeed a little, but at a certain time, or they can grace a happy go. All because the higher they go of age, questioning, recognize and appreciate their support. Now, if they are not getting that from you, they will abandon you. In order to align yourself with these four cardinal points, you can reach out to me. My WhatsApp number remains 0805-7837-672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem no di hesiri mike ke Chineke na apụghị. Izimogom ga-esilu wo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwuokike pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie, udo dịrị unu.